In the quiet heart of a bedroom, a small bathroom rests not as an addition, but as an extension of calm. Morning light drifts gently through the curtains, brushing against the soft lines of a minimalist retreat. Here, design meets stillness, privacy meets presence. This is where the day begins and ends in quiet grace. There is no harsh division between sleep and renewal. The small bathroom in bedroom flows naturally, like a whisper between two spaces. A sliding glass partition softens boundaries, creating a dialogue between rest and reflection. In simplicity lies luxury. The small bathroom in bedroom reveals elegance through restraint, a floating vanity that hovers, light that glows like dawn on water. Every detail serves a purpose, yet feels effortless. Touch is the hidden language of design. Stone feels cool and grounded, wood brings warmth to the skin, and brass hums softly in the light. The small bathroom in bedroom becomes a canvas of contrast where natural textures breathe together. Light dances quietly in corners, reflected in silver and glass. It softens every line, widens every breath. In the small bathroom in bedroom, light is not decoration, it is emotion, shaping mood as much as form. Luxury is no longer measured in size, but in sensation. The small bathroom in bedroom holds a quiet opulence, the warmth of a towel, the scent of calm air, the rhythm of falling water. Intimacy becomes design itself. Every corner is a possibility. The wall hides what must be hidden, the lines stay clean, silent. The small bathroom in bedroom becomes proof that space, when respected, multiplies. Smart planning turns limitation into art. Continuity calms the mind. The small bathroom in bedroom mirrors the tones of rest, the same floor, the same gentle hue. The eye moves easily, never interrupted. What begins as one space ends as serenity itself. When night descends, the small bathroom in bedroom glows quietly, like a lantern of rest. Light melts across the walls, and shadows breathe slowly. It becomes not a place of function, but of reflection, both literal and spiritual. At dawn, silence returns. From the bed, the small bathroom in bedroom appears almost invisible, yet its presence is felt in the calm it creates. This is where design becomes emotion, and where small spaces teach the soul how to rest.